So today I'm gonna put water beads to the water and see if they will grow.
And then we will attempt to make stress balls.
We're gonna put them in the balloons and then we can squish them. It will be ready squishy.
Okay.
Okay, so first we're gonna do the little ones and then we're gonna pour the water.
Okay, so you're gonna pour it in here.
Okay. And then I'm gonna do this.
Because you're gonna have to say some for. Okay, that's good. Now you're gonna pour the water. Do you need help pouring the water?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I dropped some water. Sorry, Mama. I didn't want it to spill water.
It's okay. We'll clean it up right now.
I'm gonna pour the big ones. They only have a little bit in there.
Okay, yeah, so just pour a little bit.
Okay. Stop pouring. Oh. Okay, so how do you do it? Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna wait 1 hour and then we're gonna check up on them, okay?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put the stress.
So we need a balloon.
Yeah.
And then pour some of that in here.
I think that it's beginning to do that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. Pour. Pour some more. Okay,
Stop.
now put some water.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I think that's tough. Okay, so what do we have to do now?
Put a little more water. Okay. So now we're gonna close it up. We have the water beads in here.
Oh,
So it's not as easy as it was,
and we're gonna have to do that, and it's gonna grow, and we're gonna squish it, and we'll be really squishy right up.
but so now we're gonna wait for them to grow in here. Okay, so stay tuned.
Okay, so okay, we're back. It's been like an hour, so today we're getting.
Check up on the water beads. So it's been an hour. We already dumped the water and they worked great.
We'll grab one.
So they're nice
Oh
and.
my gosh, it feels like so squishy.
This is squishy.
Oh my gosh, feel this one. Feel it.
Oh, it's slimy.
Mom, there's more water in here.
It's okay. It's fine. They're gonna absorb later on. We're still gonna keep them there. But
I want to get them out.
little ones are so cute. They're good for sensory and colorful.
Oh my gosh, sorry.
And then
Get them. I'm gonna get the big ones. I don't want them to get. Look at that.
that's cute, little rattle.
It's like a little rider and like shake it.
Shake it. And then, so we did the balloons, we tried it out, and we put some of this in here, and these can be stress balls.
Yeah.
Okay, so we poured some of them, and then we poured the water in here, closed it up.
Yeah. It's squishy, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
So you said what you said again? Like you said when they put them in the night. What you said again? You said when they put them in the night.
We leave them overnight.
Even overnight. Oh yes, it's so fun. Mom, what happened? Right here. Together. Please. Okay. Yeah, this one, Mom. It's so squishy. Luna, don't eat these. Wait, Luna, you have to put them back in there. You can't keep them.
Look, Luna.
Yeah, it's squishy. Squish it like this. Hey, you. Hey, you. Wait, it's down there.
Look, Luna. Grab some.
What happens if we grab some with this?
Just don't squeeze them too hard.
Oh, okay.
Put them in here.
Mama, they're slippery.
They're slippery, so you really can't grab them.
Luna, don't catch too much, you will break them, right? See that, Mom? Slippery. Yeah, samanya. Like so funny. Samanya. Yeah. It feels so squishy. It makes me want to keep
And
them
then we
forever.
tried this one for the bigger ones, but I think we need a little bit more, and we added too much water in it, so this really didn't work out. But these are really good for stress balls. Recommended. So we bought this at Amazon.
Yes.
They're the water beads, and they were only, I think, $13.99 for the whole kit.
You have to
We
go.
still have some left over.
You have to go into RB section, and then you will see them.
So we still have a lot, and so this goes a long way, because as you can see,
It makes me want to keep them forever.
I'm gonna keep them forever.
Yeah,
I'm gonna play
please.
some more. Okay, so we'll try it. You can continue playing. Tell them to subscribe.
Guys.
Look at these, are the big ones. They're cute and colorful.
Mhm. They look like grapes.
So, Natalia, why don't we put more water and we leave them overnight? Check it out. Okay, so that would be another different video if it comes out. Okay, so tell them to subscribe, like, do a comment,
Do a comment
see what they want to see next, and we'll try it out.
and follow me.
Follow me.